Hindi mapalagay, yun ang pinakaunang mensaheng nakuha ko from the Eight of Swords energy. Something here is going on in your mindset and it keeps on circling and circling sa mind mo. Paulit-ulit, paikot-ikot. So this is something here na posibleng hindi ka pinapatulog sa gabi. So whatever it is, this is something here na posibleng dahilan kung bakit hindi ka mapalagay. Kung ano man ito, parang pinipili mo na manahimik dito or wala mo nang gawin. Maybe you're thinking. Okay? So, I'm seeing someone here lying in bed, thinking, looking at the ceiling, thinking of possibilities right here at mukhang malalim yung iniisip mo. But uunahan ko na kayo, I do not see a third party situation if this is about your love life. Okay? There's none. Confused, hindi alam kung ano ba yung nangyayari. Kaya ka rito nakahinto, nakatigil, walang ginagawang aksyon kasi posibleng naguguluhan, hindi alam kung ano yung dapat gawin. Posibleng may mga nilalaman yung isip mo, pero alin nga ba doon yung dapat kong gawin? Parang yun yung tanong mo sa sarili mo. Alin nga ba dito yung dapat kong gawin in order for me na masolusyonan ko itong klase ng sitwasyon kung saan hindi ako mapalagay. I hope matulungan ka ng reading na ito. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the angels and spirit guides. Can you please show me and can we also get advice for my Nakshis collective? Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. Yeah. Okay. We'll be seeing a lot of number 2s and number 4. That doesn't have to be. But I do see that there is something here bothering you. Because right at the center or heart of your reading, parang confused ka. I'm seeing two different routes or directions at posibleng confused ka kung ano ba talaga yung desisyong gagawin mo dito. So, yeah. Tus, dito sa reading na to ay indikasyon ng pagdadalawang isip. Yeah, Five of Wands energy. Oh, another twos. So, you've got tatlong twos na rito, no? The Two of Swords, the Two of Coins, and the Crossroad, the Two of Wands. Okay. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, you always have your free will, 'di ba? And without any judgment, if this is something here that you want to do, or ito yung maging decision mo at the end of this, I do see that this is something here na alam mo sa sarili mo na ito talaga yung gusto mong gawin. So, bago natin pag-usapan ito more, okay, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support ang binibigay niyo po sa akin. So, wala po tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome here. And of course, this is timeless as well. Pwedeng tapos na or nangyari na sa iba. Pwede naman na hindi pa, no, at mangyayari pa lang in the near future. At pwede naman na nangyayari sa kasalukuyan or in the present moment. So, I do see that this is really the main energy. The Two of Wands. As you can see, may dalawang daanan dito, but for some reason, nakikita mo na yung dalawang daanan dito ay nagbibigay ng magkaibang mensahe. Diba? So, nakikita ko dito that you are holding that tungkod, 'di ba kapag nagha-hike ka, nagha-hiking ka, mountain climbing 'no, so yung mga umaakyat is may dalang mga ganyan 'no, tungkod or parang ganyan ba tawag diyan? So yun 'no, so parang pang-alalay yan 'no kapagka, medyo rough or parang medyo madulas yung daanan na makatutulong yan, 'di ba, para mas makapag-hike ka ng mas maayos, 'di ba? So, with the tungkod, ano nga ba ang use nito? 'Di ba, ang use ng tungkod is alalayan ang ating paglalakad para mas maging maayos, 'di ba? So, I do see that this is something here hard for you. Difficult, challenging para sa'yo. Maybe you're trying to make a decision right here pero naguguluhan ka. You have here a lot of number twos. And the twos here indicates pagdadalawang isip. Two of coins, two of wands, two of swords. Magulo yung isip mo rito. Na for some reason, ace of swords energy and there's this nine of swords. I think this is something here related with someone kumukonek sa'yo in a heart space level. Pwedeng boyfriend, girlfriend mo, or posibleng asawa mo. So, nakikita ko rito na parang alam mo yung totoo, pero pinipili mo ritong wag masyadong pansinin yan. Okay? Kasi maybe you are trying to parang ganito eh. Paano ko ba to ipuput into words? Parang ganito yung nararamdaman mo. You've been acting cold and distant with your partner. Wala naman siya ritong ginawang hindi maganda sa'yo. Wala naman siya ritong ginawang mali sa'yo. But you've been acting cold. Parang dumidistansya ka sa kanya. Posibleng hindi mo siya pinapansin masyado. Or pwedeng ikaw to na posibleng irritable ka, no? But this is also something here that makes you feel uncomfortable. Kasi ayaw mo maramdaman yung ganong pakaramdam. Okay? So parang iniisip mo bakit ba ako nagkakaganito? But I think you know the truth. Ace of Swords is right here. It's just that hindi mo lang hinaharap yung truth na yan. Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yan. No? Kayo to na parang dumidistansya kayo sa person ninyo, hindi nyo siya masyadong kinakausap, wala naman siyang natatandaang nagawang mali sa inyo, wala rin naman siya nagawang mali rito. No? It's just that ayaw mo lang siya kausap. Ayaw mo lang siya rito na parang nakikita ngayon. And it looks like this is you. Hindi, baka pagod lang ako. Hindi baka masyado lang siguro ako na-overwhelm sa trabaho nitong nakaraan. Hindi baka masyado lang ako maraming inaasikaso. Hindi baka kaya ako nagkakaganito kasi ang dami lang siguro mga nagsusulputan ng mga sitwasyon sa personal kong buhay, baka kaya ako nagkakaganito. Yan. So, maybe you are in denial dito. But I think you know the truth. Ano nga ba yung nangyayari dito? I think kung sino man tong person, nakakonect ninyo in a heart space level, whether that's your boyfriend, whether that's your girlfriend, or whether that's your husband or your wife here, I think you start to doubt here your feelings and emotions. Well, this is the sad part in every love story, no? Not all love stories succeed. Okay? Because maybe it's not meant to be. But here I do see you giving up, but then at the same time in denial about this. Hindi, pagod lang ako. Hindi naman siguro sa hindi ko na siya gusto or hindi ko na siya mahal, baka pagod lang ako. Yan. So maybe you are trying to convince yourself no, na baka pagod ka lang or baka ikaw to na siguro masyado mo lang siya nakikita, baka naumay ka lang, yung mga ganun. But I do pick up right here that it's not the case. You are committed with this person here for quite a long time already too. Some of you, pwedeng ka in relationship niyo na siya matagal na kayo, o yung iba naman no, is pwedeng kayo ito na um, kasama niyo na siya, no? And naging komportable rin kayo at familiar sa kanyang presence, no? So, nakita ko na parang kayo to, naguluhan kayo bigla rito. Wala naman ako nakikitang someone else na nagpapagulo rito ng isip ninyo. Wala rin naman ako nakikitang kumukonek kayo rito sa ibang person or nagkagusto na kayo sa iba. It's just that this is you. Parang it's more likely you fell out of love for your person. Yan without any judgment mga babes, no? Hindi ko naman to, na binabasa ko lang to. Reader ako. So this is quite personal here. Maybe this is a personal reading here of mga viewers natin na nanonood. Kaya naman, just take how this resonates, no? But this is you. You are trying to hold on to this type of situation here, na Five of Wands energy, no Nine of Wands, and there's this Three of Wands energy. But for some reason, ano nangyayari sa akin? This is you. Ba't parang yung mga plano ko dati sa future nag-iiba? Bakit yung mga plano ko ngayon, parang hindi na siya kasama, hindi na kasama yung person mo sa future? Parang pagod ka dito. Hmm? Ano, nagsawa lang ba ako sa person ko? Nasanay lang ba ako? Walang mali. Wala siyang ginawang mali sa'yo. Okay? Kaya ka nagkakaganyan is posibleng you lost your love for this person here. At nangyayari yon. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, that's the sad part sa mga love story na hindi nagsasucceed. Kasi posibleng sa iba ka nakalaan, kasi posibleng itong person na to is not meant for you, kasi posibleng meron ka pang dapat na gawin, or meron ka pang dapat na napagdaanan sa life mo before you found your true soulmate, diba? Your true partner. So I do see that this is something here na don't feel bad about yourself. Because I'm not seeing you rushing into decision right here. Hindi mo naman siya agad kinot off sa buhay mo rito eh, no? You just want to take a break. You just ask for a space. Because you're like this na parang ayaw mo siya makita muna, para ka rito. Alam mo, parang feeling mo yung parang, hindi naman yung alibadbad, no? Grabe naman. Parang ayaw mo lang na nakakasama siya lately. Parang ikaw to na hindi mo feel na nagcha-chat ka sa kanya lately, yung mga ganyan, na parang you feel like pagod, walang interes, o baka wala ka ng nararamdaman, hindi mo lang namalayan. In denial ka pa dito, no. Baka ngayon lang yan, naumay kasi ako, lagi kasi siyang nandyan eh, baka hanap-hanapin ko rin siya pag na-miss ko siya. No, wala akong third party, pero ba't ganito yung nararamdaman ko, parang wala na akong feelings for my person here. Ano nangyayari sa akin? Baka pagod lang ako. I need time, I need space, I need a break, yan. So, maybe this is you, pwedeng manghingi ka rito ng cool off muna kayo or whatever, you will ask for this person here to give you space and time to think. Kasi baka mamaya iba yun, nagsabay-sabay lang yung mga inaasikaso ninyo. Problema, baka may sabay-sabay na mga issues kayo rito na parang tinatakal and um, inaayos, baka may mga finifix kayo dito mga situations and other things to do, baka overwhelmed ka lang. Yan yung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, baka overwhelmed lang ako. Let me just think. Your person is worried right here, no? Kasi baka bitiwan mo daw siya. Pero iba na kasi ito eh. Yan, no? Kung reading mo to, tas eto, hindi na siya kasama sa mga plano mo sa future eh. Oh? Baka hindi mo namalayan na habang kasama mo siya, unti-unti na rin pala nagbabago yung perspective mo, no? Baka nasanay ka lang nakasama mo siya, baka nagkakasama kayo pero nagiging kaibigan na lang pala yung turing mo sa kanya rito, no? So, posible bang mangyari yun, Miss Yan? Yes! Because this is your real energy if this is your reading, ha? If this is your reading. So, if not, do not claim it, diba? So, nakita ko rito na posibleng hindi ka naging aware. Kaya nagugulat ka din dito, ba't ganito nagkakaganto ka, no? Hindi mo naiintindihan yung sarili mo, wala ka namang iba, no? So yeah, I really do get that this is something here that is also challenging for you, but at the same time, you do not want to hurt this person's feelings, no? So I think if this is your reading, Four of Cups energy, Six of Coins, and there's this King of Swords, I'm saying that pag-iisipan mo itong mabuti. Pero yun nga, if reading mo ito, nakita ko na yung outcome. You will cut this person here out of your life. Para hindi mo na siya mas masaktan palalo. Kasi dito lumalabas na posibleng na fell out of love ka. You lost love for this person here. Hmm. Kaya ka nagsistay kasi friends na lang yung turing mo sa kanya. Kaya ka nagsistay in this type of situation kasi posibleng nasanay ka na lang na lagi siyang nandyan. But the love for the man and the woman to the extent, no, na lifetime spouse, hindi mo na yun nakikita sa kanya. Wala siyang kasalanan sa'yo dito, wala siyang nagawa sa'yo dito na mali, wala, no? Hindi mo rin 'to kasalanan, so don't blame yourself, hmm. Kasi nakita ko rito na posibleng ito yung bagay na gusto mo rin sanang panghawakan, pero paano mo ipagpapatuloy yung love kung wala na? Yeah, and without judgment, your feelings are all valid, 'di ba? And at the end of the day, sabi ko nga sa inyo, you always have your free will. Here, with the King of Swords energy, you will end up, no, na parang mararamdaman ng person na 'to na it's a cold communication. But this is something here that you need to face. This is something here that might ruin this person's here na maruin yung mood niya, masira yung mood niya rito, no? Because this person here, nakikita ko siya magpapanik, eh. Ano, may iba ba? Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Meron ba ako nagawang mali? Ano ba? Sabihin mo sa akin para may tama ako. No, yan nakikita ko rito sa pag-uusap na to ninyo. Because this is an adult communication between two people right here who is in a relationship. But this is the type of serious talk or serious conversation because this is about you two breaking up. Because you cannot continue to be in a relationship if the other person here lost his or her love for the other, isn't it? So this is something here that is a serious situation going on. And this is something here na ayaw mo magpatuloy because you will definitely hurt this person. Yeah, you will hurt this person's feelings by saying no and ending this connection here. Pero ayaw mo siyang mas lalong masaktan, paniwalain yung sarili na kaya pang ma-fix itong situation na 'to when you already lost your feelings, love, and affection for this person, 'di ba? So kaya ka nagkakaganyan, do not blame yourself, eh. Naging busy ka man rito sa ibang bagay, nakita kong hindi mo naman din siya pinabayaan 'no. Nangyayari talaga 'yun 'no, at nangyayari 'yun dahil may dahilan. Lahat ng bagay ay nangyayari dahil may dahilan, may rason. At kung ano man 'yun, posibleng itong tao na 'to hindi nakatakda para sa'yo 'no, at kailangan rito mag-make room para sa pagdating ng talagang tamang tao for you guys. So sometimes the universe might be tricky when it comes to love, but this is something here that is part of their plan for your life. So kung ano man ito, nakikita ko rito na posibleng hindi ito yung taong para sa'yo or may kailangan ka pa ritong gawin or makuha or matupad for yourself before love, before true love, yeah, before the real and genuine love enters your life. Okay? So just trust the divine, go with the flow. This might be somewhat challenging here. I know you're also affected here because the Nine of Swords is here, but this is something here that you need to face. Okay? I know you're brave, matapang ka. Okay? And you need to face this in order for you to move forward in your life. There are a lot of things heading your way, so think positive talaga, sweetheart. Okay, so yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you. Thank you, Sarang Heo, Love and Light. Annyeong.